Fall is the perfect time to get crafty and add some seasonal warmth to your home with DIY decor. From cozy touches to festive centerpieces, creating your own fall decorations can be fun, budget-friendly, and incredibly rewarding. But where do you start? What are some unique ideas that will make your home truly stand out? Stick around, because I'm about to share some creative DIY fall decor ideas that will bring the beauty of autumn right into your living space. What are some easy DIY fall decor projects for beginners? Whether you're new to crafting or just looking for something quick and simple, there are plenty of DIY fall decor projects that are perfect for beginners. These ideas are easy to make, yet still pack a big punch in terms of style and coziness. Mason jar candle holders. Transform mason jars into charming candle holders by filling them with acorns, pine cones, or small leaves, then placing a candle inside. Wrap a bit of twine around the top for a rustic touch that's effortlessly elegant. Pumpkin vases. Hollow out mini pumpkins and use them as vases for fresh or faux fall flowers like mums or sunflowers. This project is as simple as it is stunning, adding a seasonal twist to your table or mantel. Leaf garland. Create a garland using real or faux leaves. Simply string them together with twine and hang it across your mantel, doorway, or windows. This project is quick, easy, and adds a beautiful fall ambiance to any room. If these beginner-friendly projects are getting you excited to start crafting, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who's looking to decorate their home this fall. How can you use natural elements in your DIY fall decor? Incorporating natural elements into your fall decor is a great way to bring the outdoors in. It adds authenticity and a rustic charm that's perfect for the season. And the best part is, many of these materials can be found right outside your door. Pine cone wreath. Gather pine cones from your yard or a local park and attach them to a wreath form using hot glue. You can leave the pine cones natural for a rustic look or spray paint them in fall colors for a more vibrant display. Twig candle holders. Collect twigs and small branches to create rustic candle holders. Simply glue the twigs around a glass jar or votive holder and secure with twine. This simple project brings a cozy, woodland feel to any space. Acorn-filled lanterns. Fill lanterns with acorns, small pine cones, or other natural elements. Add a candle in the center for a warm glow that highlights the natural beauty of these fall treasures. If you love the idea of using natural materials in your decor, hit that subscribe button to stay updated on more ways to bring the beauty of nature into your home. What are some DIY fall decor ideas that are budget-friendly? Decorating for fall doesn't have to be expensive. With a bit of creativity and some everyday items, you can craft beautiful fall decor that looks high-end, costs next to nothing. Paper bag luminaries. Turn simple brown paper bags into beautiful luminaries. Cut out fall shapes like leaves or pumpkins, place a tea light inside, and watch as they cast a warm, cozy glow in your home. This project is not only affordable, but also adds a charming touch to your fall evenings. Fabric pumpkins. Use old fabric scraps or thrifted sweaters to create soft, plush pumpkins. Simply cut the fabric into circles, gather the edges, and stuff them with filling. Add a stick or cinnamon stick for the stem, and you've got a budget-friendly decoration that's perfect for fall. Painted pine cones. Collect pine cones and give them a fresh look with a coat of paint. Use warm fall colors or metallics for a chic modern twist. Arrange them in a bowl or scatter them around your home for a simple yet stylish decor piece. If you're excited to save money while decorating, be sure to check out the description for more budget-friendly fall decor ideas that you'll love.
How can you make DIY fall decor that's both functional and decorative? Why not combine style with functionality? DIY fall decor can be both beautiful and useful, adding a touch of autumn charm to your home while also serving a practical purpose. Harvest basket. Create a fall-themed basket that doubles as storage. Use a woven basket and fill it with decorative pumpkins, gourds, and cozy blankets. Place it by the fireplace or at the entrance for a practical yet stylish touch. Autumn serving tray. Transform a simple wooden tray into a fall serving piece by adding a layer of burlap and decorating it with small pumpkins, acorns, and leaves. Use it to serve hot drinks or display fall treats, making it both decorative and functional. Seasonal chalkboard. Paint a section of a wall or a frame with chalkboard paint and use it to write seasonal messages or menus. Decorate the edges with fall garlands or small wreaths to enhance the autumn vibe. It's a fun, interactive piece that changes with the season. If you're all about decor that looks good and serves a purpose, let me know in the comments how you plan to use these ideas in your home. What are some creative ways to incorporate pumpkins into your DIY fall decor? Pumpkins are a staple of fall decor, but there are so many creative ways to use them beyond the traditional jack-o'-lantern. Let's explore some fun and unique ways to incorporate pumpkins into your DIY projects this season. Pumpkin topiaries. Stack pumpkins of different sizes and colors on top of each other to create a topiary. Place them by your front door or in your entryway for a grand and festive welcome. Pumpkin terrariums. Hollow out a small pumpkin and use it as a terrarium. Fill it with moss, small plants, and even tiny figurines for a whimsical fall display that's perfect for a tabletop or centerpiece. Pumpkin planters. Hollow out larger pumpkins and use them as planters for fall flowers like mums or pansies. Place them on your porch or around your home for a vibrant burst of fall color. If you're excited to try these pumpkin ideas, give this video a like and check out the description for more ways to use pumpkins in your fall decor. How can you involve your family in creating DIY fall decor? DIY fall decor is a great opportunity to get the whole family involved. By crafting together, you can create not only beautiful decorations, but also wonderful memories that everyone will cherish. Create a family handprint tree using a large piece of craft paper. Have each family member trace their hand on fall-colored paper, cut it out, and add it to the tree. It's a fun and meaningful way to create a personalized fall decoration. Pumpkin decorating party. Host a pumpkin decorating party where each family member can paint, carve, or embellish their own pumpkin. Display the finished pumpkins together on the porch or around the house as a collective family effort. Leaf collage. Take a walk together to collect leaves. Then create a leaf collage on a large canvas or poster board. Each family member can contribute their favorite leaves, making it a collaborative work of art that celebrates the beauty of fall. If you're planning to make DIY decor with your family, share this video to spread the inspiration and encourage others to get creative together this fall.
So there you have it. 6 creative and fun DIY fall decor ideas that will bring the warmth and charm of the season into your home. Whether you're a crafting novice or an experienced DIY enthusiast, these projects offer something for everyone. Remember, the best decorations are the ones you create with love, and the memories you make along the way are just as important as the final result.